back to my channel. If you're new to this, my name is Cheryl and I'm starting out my YouTube channel to recreate all the inspired makeup tutorial. And today's makeup is inspired by my absolute favorite makeup artist, which is Hindash. And he recently uploaded a new video of this how to do a bronze colorful tutorials, and I really like it. He did it so well. I wanted to recreate this look, so I kind of incorporated a little bit of that tutorial into a full look glam. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. So before we get on to that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to click that bell notifications so you get notified whenever I post every Wednesday and Friday. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm gonna be using my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm trying to giving a little bit of more coverage to my face, but at the same time, I do not want too much foundations on my face. So I'm just gonna go right in with my concealer and letting it sit for a while so that it gets a little bit more coverage. First, I'm gonna go prep my eyebrow. I like to lift up my eyebrow so that it's easier for me when I go in to shape my eyebrow and kind of draw the strokes. So now I'm gonna go in with my foundations. As you know, I am using my Dior Backstage. It is my absolute favorite. It is so natural. I think you guys probably heard me saying this for 1,000 times. But yeah, I really love it. So I just couldn't stop talking about it. So now I'm just gonna mix this too. It really gives a very glowy look finish to your face, and I'm a sucker for any glowy or dewy skin, so I like to use my facial oil to mix with my foundations. I like to go a little bit extra, so I'm gonna go with my Becca Shimmering Perfector. You guys know the drill. I love this glowy product. Just a tiny bit of product really gives a lot of difference on your face. I literally use this product every single day whenever I go out, and I'm just putting a little bit on the higher cheekbones to give that extra glow. I'm gonna do a little bit of the concealer under my eye.
If it continues,
I don't like to use a lot of concealer on my face unless I'm going full glam on night outs.
That wasn't meant to be a joke.
Let me have my tea first. It's a hot weather outside today, so drink more water, keep yourself hydrated. For the eyebrow, I am gonna be using my Benefit eyebrow pencil. Starting to draw a few bigger strokes at the front just to make it more bushy. Alright, the eyebrow is done. I'm gonna go straight to the eye today. So I am gonna be using this from Nars. This is a high pigment Longwear eyeliner. I'm trying to get my hands on Mambo, but I couldn't get it. It's always out of stock. So I'm gonna give it a try on this color instead. It's very similar. It's called Mulholland Drive. I'll link down below in my description box so you can check out. So this is the color, which is kind of dark brown, but has a little bit of that shimmering finish. So I'm just gonna go right in to draw my eyeliner using this. I'm basically start from the middle, and then I am draw my wing liner when I'm reaching almost at the end of my outer corner. This is a trick for Huda eye. I have a more in-depth video about how to draw a perfect wing liner for Huda eyes. You can check out at the box here. I'm just gonna start filling it up. Once I have the line that I want, I am starting to fill up the gap. As you can see, I have a very narrow space of my double eyelid, so I cannot go too much high. So I'm gonna go at my waterline and fill the gap. Then I'm going here to kind of elongate the liner of my inner corner, kind of give that cat eye. Next, I'm going in with a flat brush and I'm trying to drag and diffuse it a little bit.
Never stop.
What?
If it can.
I'm going under my waterline. I'm done with the eyeliner. I am gonna go to add some shimmering. over this area, so to give it like a little bit of that pop, I'm gonna go right into my purple. This is the one that I'm gonna be using to give that more pigmented shimmering. I'm gonna go right to my setting spray, tap it in the middle to give that purple shimmer pop. I really like the combinations of this both, like the purple and the brown. I'm liking it so much. Just popping into my eyes. As I have a Huda eye, so I definitely need to go a little bit higher so that you can see this beautiful purple. I'm just gonna open my eye. I'll put a little bit higher on the eyelid. It's like a purple shimmer peeking through your eyes. Take your time to slowly add on that glitter until it is perfect. Next, I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty. This is a very light brown, so I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush and then go over my lid just to give that more of the dimensions into my eyes, mostly focusing on the crease of my eyes. I'm gonna go and pop on my mascara and I'll come back to you girls in the shower. So this is sort of like the final look for my eyes. I'm gonna go right to bronze my face. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty cream bronzer. Next, I'm going in with a small flat brush and I'm going to start contouring my nose.
So as soon as it stops raining, you'll leave.
Going in with a bigger brush to buff it up.
Will never stop.
Going in with my beauty blender, which has a little bit of my foundation left, and I'm going to dab it all over so that it's natural. Right, next I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. I'm using my Benefit Soft Focus highlighter. Next, I'm gonna go with my Zoeva palette. This is the two beautiful colors that I'm gonna be using. I'm just gonna go in very lightly, just on the higher cheekbones area to kind of like lift up my face as well. And with that leftover, I'm going over to my nose and to my forehead just to kind of tidy it all up. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever powder just to kind of set my makeup. I just want it to be on side because I don't want this area to like shine or crease. Last but not least, I'm gonna go right to my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the lip liner, Pillow Talk. Next, I'm gonna go right into my gloss. This is from the MAC Pro and it's like very soft pink transparent. It gives a really nice gloss. Now I'm gonna set my hair makeup with my Urban Decay setting spray. Alright girls, so this is the final look of the makeup. So this is the makeup inspired by my absolute favorite Hindash. I am using a pepperish shimmering instead of a striking blue as shown in the Hindash video. So I really like the result. This is like the close-up for you girls, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial because I enjoyed it so much. I love the final look. It's very clean, yet it has that color pop into my eyes, you know, like that little purplish peeking through my eyes. I like that. If you guys really enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and also don't forget to click on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post on Wednesday and Friday. Also, please don't forget to check out my Instagram over here. I do post on a daily basis, so if you want to know more of my personal life, you can check out my Instagram. And I will see you girls in my next video.